Hi guys, this is Joshua from learnCity. I'll be your chemistry tutor for this section. We'll be taking chemistry past questions and answer. They have been arranged topically so that you can easily follow. And today's topic is nature of matter and separation of mixture. So let's take a look at our first question. And this question is from the year 1978, and it's question 7 of that year. A small quantity of solid ammonium chloride was heated gently in a test tube. The solid gradually disappeared to produce a mixture of two gases. Later, a white cloudy deposit was observed on the cooler part of the test tube. The ammonium chloride is said to have undergone A. Distillation, B. Sublimation, C. Precipitation, D. Evaporation, E. Decomposition. Now, what do you think is the answer, guys? All right, let's take a look at the answer. The correct answer is B, sublimation. And the reason why sublimation is the answer is because if you take a look at the question, you see that it says a solid gives off a gas. So anywhere you have a solid giving off gases, it is definitely sublimation.